Hi everyone, how we doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. Welcome to this week's outlook. Thanks for sticking to the channel. Thanks for coming once again to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. I hope you are subscribed. If you are not, please click the subscribe button and hit the like button and hit that bell to always, hint you whenever I drop a new video. I always drop videos every week for you guys, sharing what I do, sharing what I'm looking at, just to encourage you about Forex. Do not give up. It's not something that is easy, but it's something you can do. So don't give up, guys. So let's get straight to it. So last week I was looking at this CHFJPY, right? I saw a break of this low and I knew this broke another high right here. So because of this break, I knew that demand zone would hold. Although I wanted to get in on a sell here that spiked me out because the market broke a level here. I think it's on the 15. Was it on 15 minute? Let me check. Okay, so this was where the market took me out. I saw this liquidity that was set, so automatically I knew the market was going to come right down here to swipe these two equal lows. So I had the market set up around this other block right here, trying to see if I can get this trade right here. And what the market did was crazy, gave me that down move. I was in profit, then it swiped me out, went back to this previous supply zone before dropping down to clear this liquidity. So I think I lost 0.5% here, but that doesn't mean I had my buy limit down here, which, gave me more than what I lost already. So that was what I was looking for on CHFJPY. So presently what I have, once this has completed the move, what I am looking at right now is this new area. Yep. This is now an old order block. And this will be the new area we are looking at for. So after this has broken the zone, if we check from the 1 hour, we can see that we have another break of a low, of a high rather, sorry. We have another break of a high right here, breaking all those. Yeah, so that made this whole area our demand zone. So what I will be looking out for is for the market to come down here and get me in right here for another pull up. So that's what I'll be looking out for the week CHFJPY. I won't really force it. I'll just wait for the market to come back right down for me, and I'll be looking at it. I don't want to give you guys too much trade. Unlike last week, I gave you guys a lot of trades, right? So I think my students are jealous because most of the trades I will end up sending to them would have already been displayed right here. So I have decided it's kind of unfair because they are paying for my time. So I would be reducing the number of trades I'll be giving you guys. So I might just tell you my buyers, oh, I'm looking for sales, I'm looking for buys. So getting in would have to be from what you know. I think is already a plus, giving you a direction of what I think the market can be. All you need to look for is a break of a low or a high, then try and look for a good zone to get in. I don't think that should be hard, right? So, like I said, I'll be looking to get in on a buy here. This is the only one free trade I'll be giving you guys. Euro NZD, I gave you guys this last week. If you go and check the video, I think this is it, where I told you I had the clear of liquidity, break of structure, and we're looking for this to get right here. So you can see it live. It actually did what I said. Look at it. It came to that TP, so we hit that TP. So what I'm looking out for next will be, I think the market might actually come here, then try to clear this liquidity. But I'm waiting to see what the market does after this. It has given me the trade I'm looking for at the moment, so I'll have to wait and see what it's going to do. So for this coming week, guys, GBPCHF is still not yet where I expect it. I'm expecting it to hit this zone then I look for a sell down. But it's yet to do that. It's still like doing a thing, so I'm going to wait. AUD same thing, I'm expecting a sell. Euro CHF, same thing, I'm expecting a sell. I don't want to show you the two because I already have a trade set up on them. And it will be as clean as this. So this is another free trade I have for you guys. So I'm waiting for GBPCHF to hit this zone, then it's going to come down. I'm expecting a sell on AUD and EURCHF too. GBP USD did what we wanted at first, but it's still right there in that zone. It broke this structure and is in that demand zone. So I don't know. Is it ready to pull up yet, or is it still going down some more to get some things? I don't know. Let's see what it's playing at. But I am very sure of AUD is coming for the demand zone I showed you guys last week. I already showed you this already, so it doesn't matter. It's coming right down here to pick in, all the orders down here, then move up. Like I said, DXY, it has already gone above this one. I think it's heading for this. So it's actually going to come all the way up here for the week. That's what I am expecting. It's going to, reach out to this area supply zone and actually shoot down. That is why I will be looking to buy all those pairs I said. So after it has broken down here, I think it's going to come here, then move down some more. So because of that, I'll be looking for buys on GU, AU, and EU. So like I said, please make sure you have your confirmations, guys, before you get into any trade. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help. And I wish you guys a profitable week. I'll see you guys next week. Take good care of yourself. Bye.